Hey, a lot of people wonder why do we need to learn programming? Our world is just filled with electronic gadgets. Everywhere you look, you see a gadget. A phone, an iPad, a laptop, or even a car. With the advent of technology, these gadgets or electronic devices have revolutionized the way we interact with our surroundings. What they all have in common is the language they speak. It's the language of computer code. No matter how simple or complex a device is, its functionalities and features are based on the software running on the device. Well, all these electronic devices need to be programmed or instructed to perform their tasks. This is the reason for developing the programming languages like C, C++, Java, Python, Ruby, and so on. And today we have a number of programming languages at our disposal. We use these programming languages to write our instructions and feed them to these devices. And of course, to make the machines understand these instructions, we use some softwares like compiler, interpreter, linker, loader, assembler, and so on, which converts our instructions into something that the computer can understand. So, learning these programming languages is very much necessary to make things work on these machines. Even during the difficult times of COVID 19, you were able to attend the virtual meetings and online classes using the web conference tools. You were able to keep in touch with your loved ones using the messaging apps, and the whole banking system ran on technology. We have contactless financial services using internet banking and UPI. You have spent watching your favorite movies and TV shows on video sharing platforms and OTT platforms. Most importantly, the contact tracing app Arogya Setu helped us safeguard our families. Believe it or not, Arogya Setu app was built from the scratch in just 21 days. And at the same time, there were contactless online deliveries like Amazon, Flipkart, Swiggy, Zomato, Grofers, which helped us get our daily essentials at our doorstep. And then there were a bunch of tools which made the work from home simple. Literally, the whole world ran on technology. You might have used one or more of these softwares from your day to day activities. These products are powered by technology and softwares which are written in some of the programming languages. Programming is an art. It improves your creativity, it improves your logical and problem solving skills, and at the same time, it pays you well. You can get handsome paychecks every month if you are good at programming. There are wide range of career opportunities that you can take up if you are better at programming. With programming, you can automate most of the things that you do on a daily basis. And coding is always fun. So these are the main things that should motivate you to take up programming as your career.